Thought. Urvi's school
Urvi's
has organized
a
trip to a national park.
national park.
What national park?
What national park?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Sammy, have you been to one?
Been to one.
No, Mike.
No, Mike.
I have never been,
I have never been,
but I am
but I am
curious to know whether the Thor gang is
touring is
going.
going.
Urvi ran into the classroom.
Into the classroom.
Guys, she shouted
shouted
the list of places for the summer vacation trip has been put on the notice board. Tani jumped up. I am really excited. Urvi, she said, let's go and look at the list. A few seconds later, the classroom was empty. The entire class had dashed off to check the list on the notice board. This was the first time a trip had been organized for class 4th. Everyone was yelling and pushing, struggling to get a better view of the notice board. Are the other members of Thor here? Tani asked, trying to see over the heads of the pushing students. Thor was the name that the best friends Tani, Hina, Urvi and Riti had given to their gang of four. They were inseparable. Everyone in the school knew about their group and their friendship. It's taken me 15 minutes to get through that crowd. She gasped. The rest of the gang surrounded her so that no one could push her away. Quick, tell us where we are going. Hina said. We are going to gym. Corbett. National Park. Riddhi replied. Where is gym? Corbett. National Park. Ask Tani. It is in Uttarakhand. It was named after Edward James Corbett. Replied Urvi. Wow, that's great. Said Hina. This will be our first trip outside Delhi. I can't wait to ask my parents whether I can go. She added. The next day, each of the members of Thor gave their signed permission slips to their class teacher for the trip. At last, the day of the trip arrived by 7 o'clock in the morning. The whole class was sitting on the bus. The five staff members smiled as they listened to the excited chatter of the students. As soon as the bus started, Riddhi laughed and shouted, "Hooray! We are finally going on our first trip. The journey from Delhi to Uttarakhand took almost 5 hours. As there were so many places to visit, the first day was spent sightseeing. They visited the Corbett Jungle Museum, Corbett Waterfall and Kalagar Dam. Corbett Waterfall with its backdrop of the lush green forest was the perfect spot for a picnic. Everyone enjoyed elephant and camel rides. However, it was from the second day that the real fun started. The group began its jeep safari because of the danger from wild animals. Tourists were not allowed to walk inside the park. So jeeps were rented for the trip. The students carried their own rucksacks. The road was rough and dangerous, and the jeeps traveled slowly, leaving a cloud of dust behind them. The enthusiastic were way ahead in the first jeep with the guide. Thor was right and the back in the last jeep with a teacher. It was 7 o'clock in the morning. They had been traveling for almost an hour, and fatigue was setting in. I am feeling tired now. We have not come across a single Bengal tiger, said Riddhi, looking through her binoculars. I think we will have to return to the cottage, said one of the teachers. Oh no, said Urvi.
we?
Let's wait
Let's wait
just a little while longer.
longer.
I am hungry,
I am hungry.
said Tani.
Said Tani.
But I still
still
think we should
think we should
wait at least
another
half an hour.
half an hour.
All right,
All right.
agree the teacher.
Agree the teacher.
But then
But then
we are going back.
going back.
20 minutes
20 minutes
later, Hina said,
Hina said,
Look, there's a deer near the bushes.
the bushes.
Wow,
Wow.
it's so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Yes,
Yes.
look at its antlers, said Riddhi loudly.
Loudly.
Shape, keep your voice down.
Voice down.
The guide
The guide
advised Riddhi. Just then,
Just then
a hug tiger
a hot tiger
came out
came out
from the bushes.
from the bushes.
The tiger roared
The tiger roared
out loudly
out loudly
and came
and came
towards the jeep. Everyone was scared.
Was scared.
They
They
clutched each other tightly and didn't say a word. Fortunately, after a few moments,
After a few moments,
the tiger
the tiger
went back
went
into the
into the
bushes.
bushes.
Oh no,
Oh no,
said Riddhi.
said Riddhi.
I was so scared
that
I forget
to
take a photo.
get the photo.
I took one,
I took one.
said Hina.
Said Hina.
I will email
Email
it to you.
it to you.
The driver started the jeep again.
the jeep again.
Now I think
Now I think
it's time to
time to
return to the cottage.
return to the cottage.
The guide
The guide
suggested putting on his seat belt. The jeep made their way back to the cottage in a convey. Did you see that tiger? Shouted one of the students climbing down a jeep outside the cottage. I am so glad. Thor instead that we wait for an extra half an hour, said another. Yes, agree. Their teacher, it would have been such as shame to miss that.